What's up guys, and welcome back to another 60-second breakdown. Today we're taking a look at the 970 Pro NVMe SSD, and in that looks department, really there's not much that separates the two other than a different colored sticker. And even under the hood they're pretty much the same, with the same Samsung TLC NAND flash and also to the same Samsung Phoenix controller. Really, when it comes to specs, these guys are very similar. Heck, even very similar terabytes written for this particular drive. With class leading speeds in our synthetics test, if we translate all these nerd kind of numbers into real world numbers, we see the game load times are probably one of the fastest you can get on the market outside of a RAID solution, and games were not negatively affected at all in terms of the frame rates right here. And take a look at our leaderboard for the different drives that we've tested. This guy takes out #1 position, which is a really awesome thing to see. And if you want one, check that description box because you can grab them down there. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.